Just driving by, scouting for turkey hunting. It's not open yet, but we got a bunch of turkeys out here. Strutting. Look at it. Try and get an opening here. Hard to see. There's probably 15 out there. There's one big tomahawk band out. See it a little bit. Maybe that's all. They're taking off now. They probably see me. That Dom's still out there strutting. He don't even know.